everybody, Boone Wyatt with the 323 Concept Furniture Restoration. Today I'm going to be reviewing this 40-pound soda blaster. Got it from Harbor Freight. It's the Central Pneumatic version. I'll have a link in the description of my video if you want to find this. They also offer a 50-pound bag of abrasive at their store. So I'll see if I can find it online and leave a link to the abrasive as well to save you a trip. But here I am using this abrasive to take the finish off of a highly detailed table leg. And this is really the only instance I use this on is on very detailed pieces like this. But man, I tell you what, I wish I had been using this years ago. It works wonders. I am just shooting baking soda, very non-abrasive material, but gets the job done. Very friendly product. Here's a close-up of the soda blaster in action. And man, I just really love what this is doing for my business. It's speeding things up. To answer a question I'm sure a lot of you will ask is, no, it doesn't do any damage to the wood. It probably takes it to about a 150, maybe even 220 grit. It's very soft. So don't have to worry about any fine grit afterwards. It's ready to go pretty much. Just need to clean it off. But once again, here it is in action. If there's anything I could change in this process is I would be wearing a face shield and maybe some gloves to help with the blowback of the material. I'm just wearing regular goggles here. But other than that, everything went smooth and worked great. So if you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment in our comment section. If you like the video, help us out in that YouTube algorithm. Smash that like button for us and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to follow along for future videos. And just thanks again for watching. If y'all have got any questions or comments, definitely let us know. We love to interact with everybody, let you know. But here's a close-up of how everything turned out. As you saw, 3 minutes of work and turned out great. Thanks again for watching. We'll see y'all next time.